Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with your Sony X800G television. Okay, so we've got everything out of their bags, and the nice part about this is that these two pieces right here are interchangeable. They're both exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which foot you put them on. You just want to make sure that you match up this little protrusion here with this little notch that's taken out of the pedestal foot. So you can do that, and everything's the same on the second pedestal. So the process that I'm doing right now is going to be exactly the same for both of them. Kind of get that hand tightened there to start. And now that we've got the pedestal feet assembled, we're going to go ahead and undo these cardboard flaps here. There's 3 on the front, 3 on the back, so you just flip those out, and then you're going to lower the cardboard on the front and the cardboard on the back. And then there's 2 little cardboard flaps on the sides that we'll take care of as well. Okay, so now that we've got all the cardboard flaps down, next steps are going to be to kind of lower the plastic and then remove the styrofoam piece here. So we'll kind of get that started. We'll set that off to the side there, and this is going to give us better access to be able to put the pedestal foot into the bottom. Okay, and on the inside of the cable management on the back of the foot, you're going to notice either an SB1 or an SB2. That's going to match up with a 1 or 2 on the back of the TV. So from there, you're going to lift up the television, and then this is just going to slide in, and the TV goes down, and now it's in place. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And that's all there is to it. The pedestal assembly for this one is pretty straightforward. It's just 4 screws, and then you're going to slide those pedestal feet into place, and this is the finished product. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you stay tuned because we'll be posting more videos on this TV coming up. And don't forget to subscribe so you get those updates whenever we upload the new content.